Hey guys, my name is Jure and today we're going to be showing you something in a small box but very useful. In this convenient set, we have a set of 20 bits and sockets. Everything is stored in custom cut foam tray. We have included bits from torque sizes 25 up to 30, 25, 27, 30. And then hex keys from 3 through up to 10. 8 and 10 are long bits. And then we have included 8 sockets, size 3 up to 15. Inside we have also included 3 different adapters, so you can cross use with different ratchet wrenches, torque wrenches, from 1/4 inch up to 3/8 or even 1/2 inch drive. You can find all the details about this set of sockets on our webpage uniorbiketools.com. Thanks for watching, see you next time.